Welcome to the Goofball Fun Show.
Yeah, no, my dad, me.
Mom and Dad, he's excited to have Mom and Dad right here with me. Is that your song? We're going to unbox, first of all, me and Logan dropped Venom to grow. And we're going to visit that afterwards.
Yeah.
Because something funny happened. And
No.
yes.
No.
Something funny happened. And our hands are going to need to get dirty. So we need them clean right now to try candy. I'm Bocandy. This is the last time I'm doing Bocandy because, to be honest, I didn't do it last time. Mama did and Logan did, and they weren't too happy with it. It's candy from all around the world. What do you expect? You're not gonna.
No.
You liked one of them?
Okay, it's from candy all around the world, but I did have one more order left, and I told them we weren't going to do it no more. Our luck, these are going to taste amazing. Our luck, this is going to taste amazing, and we're going to want to keep doing it. So, first up is... Can I read? Best.
One at a time.
It's called Best Teeny. This looks like it's in Russian.
It looks like Cheetos.
Read it. Is it like Russian?
I don't know.
If you got, let me know.
I really wish they would give you labels to say where what's from, but we're gonna try it. So go nuts.
There you go.
Thank you.
Ooh, I don't like that smell.
Yeah.
Oh, smell.
How about we split it in half?
Well, you could just take a small bite.
No.
You don't want to
You have to try it. It's your show.
Okay, you try it and I'll try it.
Same time.
One.
No. Don't like honey.
It's not that bad. Once you bite into it, it's not that bad.
Why do these places have such terrible food?
That's one.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, I still don't eat it though.
It's the smell.
Well, you can have the whole bag.
Here.
I
It tastes like a Cheeto. Tastes like a Cheeto.
No, we're not eating these.
Alright, now those I've had.
What are those? I've never had those.
So they gave us a handful of...
Yeah, but...
I've seen these before. I don't know how you guys haven't seen these before. They're like a hard candy, and I think it's chewy in the middle.
What do you guys?
But you could buy it. You have never had these?
No.
They're very good.
Where are they from?
Mmm.
They're fancy.
I don't know, but I clearly had it here in America.
Well, they must be somewhere
Let me
like
fix this. Okay.
Mexican candy then.
Nope.
Or Canadian candy.
Hold on. Let Mama try it. They're good.
Smells good.
And you bite it, and it's got like jelly in it.
That's not this candy that you're thinking of.
Did you bite it?
I can't.
There's jelly in it. Ooh, we got a lot of cool stuff in here. Alright. You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Cinnamon sugar cookies. Made in Savannah, Georgia. So,
How is that different?
so this is not something from crazy around the world. Oh, I should have that McFlurry. It's too much sugar for me already. Ooh, these feel weird. There you go, Coda. Ooh, they smell amazing. Smell that.
Oh.
That smells
Are
like
you
Cinnamon
supposed
Toast
to cook
Crunch. Cinnamon sugar cookies. No artificial ingredients. GMO. No
It
directions.
smells like dough.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, I'm still eating the other candy.
They just went to the top right now. Stop. Bayard's famous cookies just went to the top with this. Tastes like a really, really good snickerdoodle.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are pretty good. Is that a thumbs up, Logan?
Ew, look!
I don't know.
Alright.
Oh, man.
These are called Misan.
Ugh.
I don't know what it's called. The brand name up
Too
there
hot?
looks like it.
Yeah.
These look like they're going to be Pop Rocks. They showed them in there. They're small on that picture.
They're mine.
Okay, well, wait.
We'll save those. You can have the rest.
But not...
Actually, you
Right
should probably share with the guys.
Huh?
Oh no. Okay. So this is what it came out looking like.
Wait, hold on.
Looks like Pop Rocks mixed with some other things. So go ahead and grab a little bit, babe. Maybe grab a white, some purple.
Mmm. Mmm.
It's actually pretty good.
Like
It's a Pop Rocks. But they add the little white things in there.
What is the white thing?
Here, bite it by itself. It's like here, purple. Here, put this all in your mouth, Logan.
Hmm?
Open.
Just give it to the dogs.
Here, there's a white thing. Slowly.
Oh, that white thing. No. I was just joking about the dogs. The white thing is more. It's like extra.
Dang, maybe we messed up canceling this. These are good candy. I gave Soli some.
But don't give him any more.
That's one to hear his mouth pop. Alright, so that's a mess. We need to... too much sugar.
Hold on.
Alright.
Oh man.
This is called Fruits Mix Gummy Candy. We have assorted 3 types of fruits flavors, most popular in Japan. Enjoy... Oh, that thing popped underneath my tongue. Juicy Kasugi Gummy Candy.
Ew.
Product of Japan. Gluten-free.
Uh-uh.
It shows we got 3 flavors in there. I'm just going to stick with the purple. Actually, there's pink, too.
Oh man.
What are the 3 flavors?
It doesn't say. Oh, grape.
It's apple.
What is muscat? Apple.
Apple?
Apple. Grape. Muscat.
I'll try grape.
Ooh, muscat does not smell good. Muscat is grape. It's a different kind of grape.
Mm.
Okay.
So let's get ballsy here, Mom.
Okay. No,
Here.
all corn.
Here.
No, oh.
Oh, it's not bad.
Bobby.
You taste like
it?
Oh my god, no, I don't like it.
Boom. Bobby.
I thought it tastes like a pear or grapefruit at first. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh.
Muskrat.
Look, Bobby.
It's got Thomas the Train on it.
The one thing I'll share with my friends,
We're going to share with Daddy's friends the piece.
but
Your
I am not
friends
sharing
too.
those cookies. No, those cookies are too good. Alright, so this looks like a Thomas the Train product, unless they just threw them on there.
Hold on, we're gonna try
Soft
this one
candy.
first. I know, try this one first.
It says millet, jelly, sugar, palm oil, gelatin. So it's got to be like a Jolly Rancher type thing.
Okay. Don't do it.
Like all this sugar is going to make my freaking heart explode.
Yeah.
It's okay.
You have off.
And my head goes off? Yeah, that sounds pleasing.
Ew.
Oh, wait a minute.
That was dumb.
It didn't say that. What color do you want?
Blue.
That blue? Alright, Mom, pick a color.
Yeah.
Okay, I get. That's not yellow. What color is that?
See?
Take it red?
Yep.
What color you want
Yeah.
Mom to get?
Yeah.
But don't say the flavors on there. This is kind of scary. They feel really hard too. Mine wasn't red, but look at the color.
Wait, I forget what mine was. Green.
Mine purple. Grape flavor.
Mine's purple too, and it was in a green package.
It's kind of like Laffy Taffy,
Me too.
but not that good. Yours tastes like grape. They must be all grape.
Mm.
I'll put them in here, but I wouldn't. I'd get Laffy Taffy instead. What was the best out of all the box?
The cookie.
Cookies were good.
No.
Which one did you like?
Hunky.
This one? You like this? These are good. These are
Say
good.
this one.
The Pop Rock stuff was cool. Just Pop Rocks. I liked that they had the little white things in them.
I feel like that made them pop more.
That made them, yeah, definitely made them pop more. The cheese stuff was okay,
That was just
but they
nasty.
smell really, really bad. So, this is a Venom that Logan found. It's from my dad's stuff, and it's probably about 10 years old or so. But it's supposed to grow. So we're going to try it out. We're going to start it here, and then another video, we'll see if it grows. So, in another video, we put Venom in here to grow. And Crystal's like, it just turned all smoky. Can you stand up and see what it did?
What do you mean?
See the legs, the arms, the head?
Yeah.
It's just it was so old, the color couldn't stay on it.
Why no? Did you touch it?
No.
It's really gross.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do.
Ew, ew.
Oh.
He got big.
Look at his booty. Look at that, the dunk.
Dang.
I want to show it all closer, but I'm going to get it all wet. Got some bodacious booty. Look at that. Look at that. You know, Logan. Booty, 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 booty. And Logan. Logan has his shirt off because I threw it at him earlier. But we'll clean them all off. But that's it, because the dogs were getting candy that we dropped on the ground, but I did on purpose. That's it for us. Thank you for watching. We might do Bendo Box again. I think that's what it's called.
We should
we will probably try Bendo Box again, maybe in the future, not now. Because they actually did have a lot of good candy in this one. Last time Mom did it, it was nasty. She tried it all with Logan, then I tried it afterwards, not on camera, and I didn't like any of it. So I was like, I'm done with this. And now they gave us really good stuff, so it kind of sucks. But we have a lot of other boxes that are still coming.
He got you.
So,
Thank you.
Logan's in his underwear. It's bedtime. It's time to say bye. Thank you for watching. Bye 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 bye. Logan, say bye. Quit being rude.
Bye.
Say bye.